50 pesos. 2 pieces of bangus. So, mabasa yung puwit mo, Choco. Okay lang din man. There's a cat there. Oh, wala man tayong cat food. Sorry. Huwag mo inaaway mga mining. Yeah. So, this is... Ano na kami, nag-snack kami. I'm gonna get my phone. Yeah. Yeah. Because people are busy here. Paano natin yung ayan. Ang dali. Kailangan na. So, let's continue the vlogging. Yeah, so, ayan, iwanan muna natin. Ayan, naka-live din po tayo. So, we're cooking grilled na milk fish ba tawag sa bangus? Yeah, it's milk fish. So, we have avocado here. And then, yun ang aming ulam. Yun ang aming ulam for tonight dinner. Yeah. So, let's go. Sorry, ikot ako ng ikot, guys. Check. We still got pansit. May pansit pa tayo here. Yan. Yeah, this is the pansit. Yummy, di ba? Wala pang ilaw doon sa kabila. Yeah, so happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mothers. Mother dear all over the world. Yeah, so my mom is 77 na. So, yay, hello! Ayan. So, that is our ganap for today. So, this morning, nag-ano po tayo? Nag-live stream. Actually, I do the live streaming every day. So, from 8 a.m., minsan 9 a.m. in the morning, 9. Mga 3 hours lang naman. 3 hours lang naman in the morning. And then, magre-rest tayo mga 11. And then, after that, kakain tayo syempre ng lunch. And then, magnanap tayo. Sa pag nagising tayo mga 4 or 3 in the afternoon, babalik ulit tayo sa pag-live stream. Pero ngayon, pahinga muna tayo kasi para mapahinga yung ating boses. Ating vocal cords. Yeah. So, I'm gonna leave that camera open or video open. I'm gonna check. This is my small room. Dito ang ating closet. Pwede na may pakitang closet, di ba? Yan ang ating mga closet. Yan ang ating gamit. Bags sa taas, mga wallets, bags, everything. Konting damit. And this one is my luggage. I'm going to Dubai. Oh. And this is my setup, guys. Yeah. Parang pinakita ko na ang aking setup. Yeah. So, this is where I work in the morning. Nag-order pala ako ng sponge kasi napunit yung aking sponge. I got one there. Yeah, na-black siya. Kaya lang hindi ko pa siya nalalaban. So, yan, meron tayong mga speakers, may mga, that is mini karaoke, guys. Ito, mini karaoke ito. It has microphone. So, light, and then, this one is my most favorite place because this is my cat. I lost my cat last year. So, that's her, Gaga, and then ako yan. And then, may mga food dyan. Because every time, sometimes, paglalabas tayo, bumibili tayo ng mga pouch for my cat. Parang memories ba niya na binibilhan mo siya. Kasi dati, this one, oh. Dati, binibilhan ko siya. Every time na lumalabas tayo, binibilhan natin siya. So, that's it. May mga nakikita pa kayong mga luggage dyan. This one, lagayan ng mga food. Yan. May milk tayo doon. Okay. And then, may hagdan. The hagdan goes to my bed. Doon ako nakahiga sa taas because I want there sa taas. And then, there's a window here. In the morning, makikita mo yan si Chocoloco, the dog. And that's Reggie Boy, our cook. He's the one cooking. We got 2 servants, 1 male and 1 female. So the other one is cleaning the house, cooking, laundry. Yeah, so let's go, pandang go. So, happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga mothers out there. Open natin light kasi para maganda. Dyan. Binati ko naman na yung kapatid ko tsaka lahat ng mga mommies. Mga mommies. Si Kelly. That's Kelly. Nagluluto sila dun sa labas. So, see you again tomorrow sa ating live streaming. Hindi pa pala sure kung anong oras yung appointment ni Kuya tomorrow. I'm going with my brother tomorrow. Kaya lang, tentative pa, not sure pa. So, I'm waiting for an update. So, what time we will be leaving tomorrow, going to the city with my brother and Reggie Boy. So, if not, magla-live stream pa rin tayo. Start at 8 a.m. Minsan 9, iba-iba, depende. Yeah. So, yan na, malapit na makook ang ano ni Reggie. Ang fish. Kaya, day, ang dilim na dyan, ba't di ka mag-ilaw? That's our... Yes, that. And then, merong sausawan. Meron tomato. Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mother. Wala, kumukulog. Wow. Fish. Wow, that is our dinner. Okay.
Sarap talaga yung walang oil.
Dinner. Wow. It's a fish. Kumukulog. Yeah, kumukulog daw. So, yun. Wait. Alam mo yan, oo. Naamoy mo yung isda, kaya ka sumusunod.
Musa ba ka?
May smell yung fish.